Welcome to Jericho Systems. Today we're going to highlight and demonstrate our joint solution with technology partner F5. This solution combines both Interspace technology and the F5 Big IP Local Traffic Manager. And today I brought in our subject matter expert in both privacy and security, Vijay Subramaniam. He's going to explain exactly how that works.
Thank you, Tyler. Today we'll be talking about data labeling and data segmentation technology from Jericho Systems. Interspace DLDS offers our end customers the ability to manage policies centrally and to do data labeling and data segmentations dynamically. This allows them to control the kind of information they want to share with their end users. To do this, they can leverage multiple types of attributes, including authenticated users, resources, and environmental attributes. We will be talking more in detail about our F5 integration use cases, and in which we basically used the F5 as a gateway to call Interspace to do data labeling and data segmentation.
Great. Let's start with the demo.
First, let's look at the architecture. In the demo you're about to see, we have a browser user attempting to access a secure content service. A secure content service could be a SharePoint service or any other web service. This service contains sensitive personnel information, including social security number and driver's license information. In this information flow, we are using F5 Big IP Local Traffic Manager to enable PK authentication and to act as an enforcement point. The iRules module within the F5 Big IP calls out to Interspace to evaluate DLDS policies, which determines what is returned to the authenticated user's browser.
There are three types of users we've created for this demonstration: a contractor, an employee, and an executive. We've set up an LDAP directory with mock attributes for users performing the search for employee information. You can see that on the right-hand side of the screen. We're only interested in three attributes: primary occupational code, which identifies users as staff or executive; employee type, this would include employees or contractors; and clearance level. Users who have a secret clearance can see sensitive information. Others who are uncleared, shown by the attribute U, cannot. We're going to start with the contractor who has no clearance, requesting employee records. As you can see on the screen with the personnel information that's been returned from the server, the contractor only sees contractor records. This is shown under the column entitled Type. The driver's license and social security number columns are redacted, which is illustrated in red. But let's go ahead and give the contractor a secret clearance and watch what changes on the return. What you're going to see now is that the columns are unredacted and these users can see more information. The next user is the employee. The employee can see all employee records, including contractor records. So we're going to change the employee type here on the right-hand side of the screen from contractor to employee and refresh the page. Now, because these users have a secret clearance, they see everything. The green highlighted rows are marked because we're indicating users who have a clearance. These rows are changing dynamically based on policies we've created in order to demonstrate how Interspace can tag and label a structured document on the return from the content service. When we remove the employee's clearance, the highlighted rows will remain because the employee can see all personnel information, but the sensitive information is removed. As you can see, certain columns have been redacted. Our third and final user is the executive. We're going to change the primary occupational code from staff to executive. This gives the user special status irrespective of the clearance level. The executives can see all information. They essentially have super user access. Right now they have no clearance and they see everything. But even if we change the attribute from U to S, nothing changes. They will still see the same amount of information regardless of the change in the attribute. So why is this important? Because we're tying the best of breed solutions from F5 and Jericho Systems, including the local traffic manager, attribute-based access control, and data labeling and data segmentation to create one integrated solution. In addition to what Vijay mentioned earlier in the video, there are essentially three other benefits that we'd like to highlight that we hope you glean from this demonstration. Number one, protection of data and services. In the interconnected world that we live in, your environment can change in milliseconds, and your security and privacy solution should be able to adapt just as quickly. Number 2, promote information sharing. Whether it's corporate governance or regulations and compliance that you need to meet, whether it's protected health information, personally identifiable information, or protected critical infrastructure information, this solution provides immense value for both you and your organization. Third and finally, the reliability of a proven solution. We've shown how this technology applies to different markets and solves critical information sharing scenarios. And if you'd like to find out more information about that or how Interspace interacts with the F5 Big IP Local Traffic Manager, please visit our website at jerichosystems.com. And as always, feel free to follow us on Twitter at Jericho_systems. Again, we hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we did making it. And until next time, we'll see you later.